If your iPhone is not able to receive files via AirDrop, but if you can send, then let us see what to do. The first thing is make sure that your phone is unlocked. The other thing is, again, one more time, check if the Bluetooth in your iPhone is on or not. After that, go to settings here, go to screen time, go to this option content and privacy restrictions, go to allowed apps and features, and make sure that AirDrop is not disabled. If it is disabled like this one, then enable it. You have to enter the screen time passcode. Once you enable this one, close it. After that, go to settings again, go to general, go to AirDrop, and make sure that receiving off is not enabled. Either select contacts only, or if you want to receive from all the contact, then select this option everyone for 10 minutes. Enable this option use cellular data in case if you want to use cellular data also for receiving files via AirDrop. And the last thing is make sure that the two phones are close enough to receive the files via AirDrop. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share this video if you found it helpful.